Who is this woman? Why is she in our house?
In a few minutes you will understand everything, Mama.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope I am not late. I brought something for.
Hello, Victor.
Son. Who is this woman?
Victor. Answer the question. Who is she?
She is just someone I know from the city. An old friend. I have no idea why she is here.
An old friend. 2 years, Victor. 2 years, and I am just an old friend.
Laura, please. This is not the place.
No. This is exactly the place. Sit down, Victor.
I do not need to sit down. I can explain everything.
Then explain. We are all listening.
Laura and I ended things months ago. She cannot accept it. She followed me here because she cannot move on.
Uncle Boris. Please read these messages. Just the last 3 weeks. That is all I ask.
Boris. What does it say? Boris, tell me.
You were going to marry my daughter. While this woman was waiting for you at home.
Uncle Boris, I can explain.
You came to this village and targeted my sister. You paid someone to bring a proposal to our door. You set a marriage date. And you had a woman waiting for you in the city the entire time. Look my father in the eyes and tell him you are a good man. Go ahead. Look at him and say it.
Get out of my house.
Vera, please.
Get out.
Goodbye, Victor. I am sorry. You deserved better than this.
So did you.
I want everyone here to know something. This proposal did not come to our door by accident. Someone in this village took money from Victor. $500. To bring a fake proposal to our family. To trick our parents into trusting a man who had no honor.
Betty, is this true?
Tell them, Betty. Tell them what you did.
I am sorry. I am so sorry. He gave me money. And I did not think. I only saw the money. I did not think about Rosa. I did not think about this family. Please, Vera. Please forgive me. Take this back. Please.
You did not have to come here. But you did.
I did it for myself as much as for you. I needed to know the truth.
Are you going to be okay?
Eventually. What about you?
Eventually. Rosa. Can I say something? Of course.
Whoever loves you next is a very lucky person. Do not let what Victor did make you afraid of that.
Thank you, Laura. For being brave enough to come here. You saved me from something I cannot even think about.
Take care of yourself.
You too. You tried to warn me.
It does not matter now.
It matters to me, Adam. You saw what I could not see. You tried to tell me. And I pushed you away.
You were trying to protect your family. I understood that.
You never needed a reason to be near me. You were always just there. Every single day. Carrying my water. Fixing our fence. Bringing eggs. Just there.
I will always be there, Rosa. That will never change.
Adam. Can I ask you something honest?
Anything.
Do you love me?
I have loved you since the first day. I saw you standing in your garden talking to the tomatoes. Like they could hear you.
I think I love you too, Adam. I think I have for a long time. I just did not know how to see it.
Will you let me speak to your father?
He already likes you. He has always liked you.
Then I will speak to him tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
God heard our prayers after all. He just had a better answer than the one we were looking for.
A man who loves you quietly and stays without being asked will always be worth more than a man who arrives loudly and promises everything. True love does not perform. It simply stays.